Good evening, everyone. Today we had a surgery and we managed to make it on our own home. We have this little canary. I will show you the photos now. How was his leg? 1 second. So my friends, you've seen the photos. On the photos you can see what one of the leg is red color and one is normal beige. So the red one is painful because the ring is too tight around his leg. I was on the job today and I decided to get this magic tool from my job and try to make the operation for my canary. It was complicated, it was difficult. I had 2 people next to me, my son and my daughter, thanks to them. In the beginning, I was trying to cut with this thing his ring. By the end, my son took it in his hands. My daughter was standing with the telephone and the flash, so we could have more lights because the daylight was already down. I will show you the ring now, which was on his leg, which we cut. And I'm going to show you his leg. Because I was scared to not cut something on his leg, so I couldn't make the video. It was not so important to me, but now I can show it to you, the bird and his leg, how it is. Give me just 1 second. So, that little thing was on his leg, which was very tight. I don't know if you can still see, there is some pieces of his skin there. I will try to make the zoom. Maybe you can see it properly. Okay, maybe it's also fall down. Anyway, as you can see, we cut it. And now I'm gonna show you his leg. You can see his leg is painful. It's a bit bleeding. But it's bleeding not because we cut him, because the ring was very, very tight on his poor leg. I sprayed him with special chemical, which stops the bleeding. Whoa, 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 don't rush. Can you see his leg? It's also still some skin. Can you see the skin here? So now every day I will have to spray him so he don't get any infection, but at least now he have a proper blood going around his leg. Usually, actually, we're not doing these things in the house on our own. And because it was the first time when I had to do it, I said I will not write the video. But here you go. Poor bird. Poor baby canary. Actually, he's not a baby. He was even in the competition for singing birds. Here is his certificate with his numbers on. So now we're gonna take care of his leg. Spray it every day so he don't get any infection. That's a special spray actually for the animals, which you can find in the vet clinics for all out use scratches, bleedings and stuff like that. Is very helpful. So hope not anyone birds will need to be done like that, because it's very dangerous. It's better always use a bit bigger size of the ring than the small size, because you never know how it's gonna go on. So thank you for watching us. See you. Bye. By the way, I have the new rings, so I will cut it and I will try to squeeze it later on his leg, which is bigger size than the one which he had on his leg already. So at least this bird, which had a ring before with his name on and stuff like that, at least he will have a number for in case he will escape, so people will know like he's belong to somebody. So we're gonna spray him again. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Here's my tool. But obviously don't try to do it in your house on your own. It's better always if you take your pet to a vet. Thank you for watching us. See you.